Hi everyone, welcome to Totally Delicious, the #1 bakery for quality at an affordable cost. I'm Vanessa Liscombe, training, business development, and project manager at Totally Delicious Bakery. So we have been in business for over 27 years. We have 2 locations. We're currently at our Mannings Hill location, that's 22 Mannings Hill Road, Kingston 8, and our head office is located at 44 Grove Farm Road, Loybar. We are a bakery that produces premium baked goods such as your favorite chocolate strip, ice cream slice, bread pudding, carrot loaf, wine loaf, just to name a few. And also you guys should try our newest products on the market, which is our fruit cups. We have 2 flavors, lemon and strawberry, and also our banana bread. So the reason why Totally Delicious Bakery was started was to provide jobs for those in the community. We were able to do this and also further on continue with CSRs such as local homes contributions, infirmaries, and also back to school treats. Not only produce delectable baked goods, but we are committed to our community as well. Being a part of JMEA has helped us tremendously as it relates to exposing our manufacturing company, which is Loybar, Jameric and Manufacturing Company Limited, and they have given us the spotlight that we needed to streamline processes such as training, mentorship, marketing, and also help us with strategies as how we can export international. So we're looking to expand our reach in Caribbean and also in US and Canada. Attending the expo has brought so much traction to Totally Delicious that we just want to say thanks for all that, because that has gained us insight as to what our customers want and also our partners. So the great thing about our products are our customers always make the comment that our products taste just like it's homemade, even though it's mass produced. We heard your request and we want to fill the gaps for you to have our products at your disposal.